be an exciting week as well. So this week the cornices will go up, the sanding will get finished, and we'll start to prepare for painting. So that involves making sure that I have really clear specs from my painters, because there's quite a few wallpapers and colours going in here, as well as I've started to measure up the door openings for some curtaining. That's right, we start to get to think about all of the exciting stuff this week coming. It is time to paint room 2. So we're going to be spraying, is that right?
Yep, we're going to spray.
Spraying undercoat.
Undercoats today, yeah.
Okay, cool. So obviously the prep for when you're spraying is different to when you're painting.
Yep.
So what are the must-dos? What are we about to get busy in here doing?
Well, while we're spraying, the first thing we want to think about is having a clean area. We don't want, we've got a lot of pressure going through the gun. Yeah. We don't want dust and debris sort of blowing up from the ground or from the ceiling.
From anywhere?
From anywhere. We want to mop the walls down, mop all the plaster, and just make sure it's a nice clean surface. Okay, so we need to get all this stuff out first of all. That's right.
Okay, so any building works in the room need to go.
Yep.
What next?
Next we're going to be making a lot of mess.
Oh.
Yeah, we're going to make a lot of mess.
So we're going to clean up and then we're going to make a mess?
We're going to clean up so we've got a nice safe area to work.
Yep.
Then we're going to make a lot of mess, and then we're going to do a really detailed clean where we do all the dusting down, because yeah.
What are we going to make mess doing?
We're going to be sanding. Patching and sanding.
Okay, so we've got all the nail holes in the trims, in the skirts, in the arcs, in the panelling.
Yep.
Okay, so we're going to make it site safe. We're going to patch the holes. Then we're going to sand.
Yep.
And then clean, so the queen would be happy.
That's right.
All right, well, let's get to it.
Let's do it. Alright, so now we want to patch.
I just rocked that hole down.
You smashed it?
Oh yeah, just smashed that hole. Oh, and that one. Big ones are easy. Oh, yours are just as bad. Okay.
That's better.
Yeah, that's much better for you.
What we might do is tape up to the front edge here.
Yep.
So we don't have any overspray going outside.
Perfect.
Cut a nice hole in the plastic so we get a bit of airflow as well.
Okay. Oh, I would have just gassed myself.
Yeah, no, we've got to make sure there's good airflow. So.
Are you serious?
Yeah, it's good for you. Breathing's good for you.
Okay. Okay. If we must. Now it's over to Dan with the Q-Tech high volume, low pressure gun, and he's using that to apply the appropriate oil-based sealant to the bare plaster ceiling roses and the cornices. And it's an absolute must-do step whenever you're using these types of products before you go anywhere near them with an acrylic coat. It is now time to bring in the big guns though and start applying the first coat to these walls. I'm using an Ultra Prep by Taubman's. I get it from my local Bristol store, and it is without doubt the only prep that I like using on my walls. Hey! You got a few coats on this.
No, just one coat.
Are you serious?
Yeah, one coat with the gun.
It was chip rock.
Yeah, I know. It does a good job, doesn't it?
What did you put on it?
Ultra Prep. Taubman's Ultra Prep.
And so that's undercoat, sealer.
Yeah, primer sealer undercoat.
Primer sealer undercoat.
Yeah.
That's a big mouthful.
Yeah.
Primer sealer undercoat.
Yeah.
Can you say it faster?
Primer sealer undercoat.
Okay, you win. Alright, so that's amazing. This was bare.
Yeah, it looks great.
And you put that on with
the spray gun.
The big spray gun.
With the big spray gun.
Okay.
Yeah.
I like it. I like it a lot. So now we've patched, cleaned, undercoat, we're going to check for patching, and what else?
You got a gap. I'm part of the job.
It's not.
It's not.
It is not.
It's not at all.
Like it's probably what's all over your bloody shirt. Because I'm always like on my leg.
So we've got a couple of tricks we can help with that, but it is messy no matter what we do. So
I'm actually not excited. I honestly get more of my clothes than I do in the gap.
Excellent. We're going to do that.
Okay. To catch more of Dan's tips on filling and gapping, there's a link below in the description. So Dan, why are you using a block for there?
Just because it's a bit softer.
Blocks are softer.
Yeah, a little bit softer. You've got a fine finish block. Let you not put too much pressure in one spot and spread out the pressure so that you're not taking the paint you just put on off.
Sucks when you take your paint off.
Yeah, it's not much fun. You've got to re-spot prime it and go again, so it helps you along a little bit.
I'm handballing this back to Dan now to do some final touch-up sanding before getting the first top coat on. Now it's time to apply the enamel coat to the skirts and to the trims. Not only does this give it a beautiful sheen, but also added longevity. Cutting in with enamel can really be a challenge, but if you want to get Dan's top tips on how to make it look as easy as he does, there's a link below in the description. No matter how unpopular this makes me, you are all going to have to wait one more week to see the final elements of this room come together, as well as the big reveal. Thanks for watching. Did you know I run workshops on all things renovation and DIY? So I've popped a link below in the description so you can check out the schedule for the rest of the year. I hope to see you there.